Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the oil life on your Cadillac XT6. This easy method ensures your vehicle's maintenance system is up to date after an oil change. It's a straightforward process that you can complete in just a few minutes, saving you a trip to the dealership. We'll go through each step clearly so you can confidently manage your vehicle's service indicators yourself. First, ensure your Cadillac XT6 is ready. Turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. This powers up the electrical system and allows access to the vehicle's information display. Next, locate the controls on your steering wheel, typically on the left side, which you will use to navigate through the various menu options presented on your dashboard screen. Now, using the directional buttons on your steering wheel, scroll through the Driver Information Center until you locate the Oil Life display. This screen typically shows a percentage, indicating how much life is left in your engine oil. It is important to confirm that this reading is low, usually below 20%, before proceeding with the reset to ensure you are performing the action at the correct time. Finally, to reset the oil life, press and hold the Set/Clear button, usually found on your steering wheel, for approximately 5 to 10 seconds. You will observe the oil life percentage on the display change to 100%, confirming the reset is complete. Once the reset is confirmed, turn off the ignition to save this new setting. Your Cadillac XT6 is now ready for its next service interval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.